I've seen a lot of videos and talk about this Revair, but what I haven't seen, which I think needs a video on its own, is how this Revair is packaged. So let's get into this unboxing because I think it deserves a video all on its own so you can see what's all included. Let me start by saying this box is huge. I mean, huge. The box is nothing to write home about naturally because it's just trying to get the product from the warehouse to the customer. But I truly did not expect to see big, bold letters, Revair, as soon as I opened the box or the color. Now, the package that I ordered, it came with the travel tote as well as a few additional items, which I'll show and explain as I go through and open it. I kind of forgot that I had ordered the one that came with the extra filter as well as the mesh filters to go inside of the actual Revair dryer. Then it also includes, which I was looking at this package like, what is this? But it includes sample sizes of the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner. I didn't order the full sizes because I didn't feel like I needed them. Plus, before this, I'd already washed my hair. So that's what's included inside this little bag. And then I'm looking at the label like, is this a coupon? Do I save some money? Now, I actually ordered this a year ago. So I had to go back and look at this like, is there an expiration date on this? Because when I say a year ago, I mean 2023 a year ago during that Black Friday sale. And they have sales all the time. And they're always discounting things. But I ordered this in 2023 and yes, it's now 2025 and I'm just now opening the package. But I'm going to skip ahead. It also includes hair clips as well as a continuous spray water bottle, which, hey, us curly girls, we can always use a water bottle. Then it includes this little mesh bag to hold all the accessories that it came with, as well as a microfiber towel and a wide tooth comb, which again, all of these we can all use. They will definitely come in handy. So this is all the additional accessories that came with the package that I ordered. You don't have to order these. These are just things that I wanted to include in my order. What I also forgot, as I said, is that I ordered extra filters for this dryer, not realizing that I set them aside, not realizing that these aren't the ones that I need for the dryer. Now let's get to the real deal package. So as you can see, this thing was kind of heavy. As I said, I ordered a year ago. I never opened it, but now we're going to open it and get to it. This part of the package is filled with so many different notes and just quotes from the company, as well as another card, which was in the initial box as well. Now, once you get to it, it says, open me. Now, what I wasn't expecting once I actually opened it was to see the dryer and the nozzle wrapped. So I'm looking at like, what is going on? How do I take this out? What are we doing here? But each one is wrapped protectively in what I would call a sleeve or a stocking, which is also good if you're going to store it because it'll help keep dust out, kind of like you protect your purses with the dust bag. This is the same deal. You can protect your dryer with these little sleeves. So here I'm just taking them out, still trying to figure out where do I open it because it's only opening on one side naturally. And this is also when I realized, oh, I don't need the filters that I set aside because they're already here. It looked a little off, so I was just pushing it up to make sure that it doesn't kind of blow out and keeps that area protected. And then here you can see is where the second filter is. So I didn't need the extra ones that I had on the side, so I put them back in the box eventually. Now bear with me while I continue to unbox and give you a little ASMR. All right, y'all. Now I gotta read these instructions and try to figure out how to put this thing together. Because again, that's not something that's ever mentioned in any of the videos that I've seen before. But I'm not gonna bore you with this part, so I'm just gonna put everything together. Then I'll come back in the next video and show you how I use it. So as always, thanks for watching.